This is the third time trying to record this video because Squarespace have got me going around the twist with saved sections. But anyway, to give you a quick bit of background, they introduced saved sections last year. I think it was last year. And basically that was the ability to recycle sections across your website. You can save a set amount and you can just drag and drop them into whatever page and whatever section that you want on the site. One thing they neglected was the footer. The footer seemed to be its own entity. I don't know why, but this was just like one of Squarespace's strange choices. Now it seems like they fixed it. I went in, I was like, oh, let's check this out. You can add it in. And then it didn't. And then so I started recording it for the second time. I was like, oh, maybe you can only save sections from the footer to add into the footer. And I recorded it all, went in, and the section was saved. And I was like, what is going on? But I think I know what the problem is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you basically how to add certain sections in and explain why other sections aren't in there. So you join me on the dashboard here. And if I click edit on one of my pages, I'll save this section here. And you can see this is in the saved section already. And this is in the saved section already. So one thing to note, both of these are list sections. So if I go into add section and save sections, you can see that these are all in here already. Great. Now, if I go down into the footer, in fact, let's save this one as well. Let's go down to the footer. So great. Now we've got the ability to save sections within the footer. Brilliant. We can also add sections. Now you'll see anything with just text and imagery. So a standard, fluid or classic section, great, that goes in. We can add these in, but no ability to add list sections. Now this is what had stumped me. I was like, why can't I add this? And I'm pretty sure it's because list sections you just cannot add full stop into footers anyway. Because I was looking, I was like, okay, if I look at these, there is actually no ability to add a list section anyway. So I think that would break Squarespace. So essentially, what you have to do is save basically any other section. It just can't be a list section. And I am as dumbfounded as you at that one. But this video is not about complaining. It's about showing you the positives, which are, for the most part, we can add sections now, saved sections at that, into the footer. So once you've built your footer, you can save these, you can recycle them, hit save, and once you're happy, great. The only thing you're missing now is a list section. I'm sure I'll do a video on this at some point in the year, but for now, that is what we've got. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website without any list section footers, then you can get in touch using the links in the description.